Well, hi guys, Mitch here, Campbell's Tire and Service, coming at you live, getting our tools lubed up. Oh yeah, nice and good and lubed, Pro Lube, only best stuff on planet Earth for all your air tool needs, engine, transmission, everything. Well, everything except for a CVT transmission, that is. Don't put it in there. We're coming at you live out in the field today. We got a sandblasting trailer. Had a little blowout. First time customer. First time caller. All right, so we're out here in the field. First time caller, first time customer. Called in for a set of 4 on a trailer. Doing mobile service out in the field. So we got everything all loaded up. We got the trailer, got some tires. We got FedEx after this. Jack, why don't you come down here and show them the blowout? This thing absolutely blew to smithereens. Have no fear though, Campbell's Tires here to save the day. Little field service action. We're gonna get these nuts loosened up. Really wrench on them. You know, back in the day they called me old lug nut Mitch. Not in the way that you're thinking. Get your mind out of the gutter. I've been a tire guy for 20 years. Come on now. Alright, so we're gonna get this jack stand placed under here, get these tires off, get all 4 of these taken off, and get this customer ready to rock and roll so they can get on to their next sandblasting adventure and get to making some money. So stand by folks while we get everything prepped and ready to go. We'll hit you back once we got the tire machine all plugged in. All right, folks. Well, we jammed out those 4 tires on that trailer, real lickety split like, and we are packed up, loaded, heading to FedEx. Well, we gotta stop at the gas station first because somebody didn't fill up the gas tank on the air compressor.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry.
That was you.
Oh, shoot. Am I responsible for that? Oh,
Yeah.
crap. Dang it. Well,
You don't pay me enough.
luckily, we've got a spare gas can with just a skosh bit enough of fuel to get us by and finish out that set of 4 on that trailer. So we'll stop at the gas station. And we're not going to just any random gas station, folks. No Walmart, no last chance fuel store, nothing like that.
With the AI logo.
We're going to none other than Maverick, okay? The best fuel station, gas station, convenience store in the whole United States, okay? Fight me on that. I will fight you on that.
Buc-ee's is better.
Ah, crap. I don't know. I'd say Casey's General Store and Maverick is probably a tie between the two. I'm still leaning towards Maverick a little bit more, but the breakfast pizza at Casey's General Store back in Nebraska. Pizza?
Yeah,
Back
pizza.
in Nebraska, that pizza was molto bello. So, anyways, folks, stand by while we go hit up the fuel store and get a little dinosaur juice to be able to make it through this next service call.
Barely.
Oh, all the way. Stand by, folks. What's up, folks? Mitch here, coming at you in the field on our next service call. We are heading into the warehouse to work on a couple of FedEx trucks and get some new fresh rubbers put on them. So yeah, wait for the door to fully open. Gotta have our lights on, our little flashy lights.
And your hazards. They said and your hazards on the door.
Yeah. And your hazards too, but flashers work just as good. So we're gonna kind of park right here. And
more light for super steady. It's too dark in here.
is it
Because
too dark?
super steady mode won't work.
Oh dang.
I'll just try to be as steady as I can. Okay, you want to throw that mat under?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this big pad under it. Okay. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I gotta get my phone so I can look. This one, we're gonna do one tire on the front. Come check this out. She's just a wee bit low on tread. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but a little bit low. So we're gonna get all of our tools out. We're gonna get this thing busted out. Get this thing parked back in its spot that it just came from. Grab the next one, so on and so forth until we are done. We're actually only changing 5 tonight. We have 9 total that we need to change, but one of the trucks is left the coop, so to speak, here. It's at another shop. Probably knock that out tomorrow, but have no fear, we'll get it. Stand by, folks, while we get everything all set up. here at the FedEx depot. We are officially done for the day, and we're heading home. It is just before 8 p.m. and yeah, so we're gonna hit the road, head back home, and wait for tomorrow's day to come and see what we have in store. We know we've got another set of 4 of these particular tires for FedEx. We're gonna knock those out tomorrow. Same time, maybe maybe earlier in the evening, afternoonish, if the truck is still at its other repair shop, getting stuff done and taken care of. So, but yeah, guys, appreciate you coming along, appreciate you watching, and appreciate a like and a subscribe, guys. I mean, this is a growing YouTube channel. We're just shy of 50 subs. We're trying to get to
50, so
100.
we can go live.
Well, no, I mean, well, yes, that's the goal, but start small goals and we'll work our way up, right? So let's make a goal. We get to 100 subs by August. That'd be a pretty cool deal. 100 subs by August, and then maybe 150 by the end of the year. You never know. So anyways, guys, like I said, appreciate you coming along, appreciate you stopping by. Give us a like, a follow, all that kind of good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one.